Today we have discussed 9 plus. So in the exercise 1.4 exercise given question 4th root 81 minus 8 cube root 343 plus 15 5th root 32 plus 225. Children, first we have to learn in the question. So this is the we have to learn 4th root 81. Children, learn 4th root, not only 4 into root 81. We should learn the 4th root 81 minus 8 into. So this is also 3 root 343, but 3 means cube. Cube root 343 plus 15 5th root 32 plus root 225. Root means square root 225. So in this problem we have to do it in the using the formula for nth root a. What is the formula for nth root a, children? A power 1 by n. So a power 1 by n. Children, again children, we should root a. What is the formula in root a, children? So root a power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2. Okay, children, we use in the formula in this problem. So simplify that. Children, listen carefully. So 4th root 81. In this is in the form of nth root a. What is the formula now? A power 1 by n. But which is the a place value? 81. So 81 whole power 1 by 4 minus 8 into. Next again this is in the form of nth root a. And what is the form of, children? A power 1 by n. So which is the a place value? 343. 343 whole power 1 by 3 plus, children, again 15 into. Again we should we should learn it, children. Again we have to do it. So yes, very good. 32 whole power 1 by 5 plus, again we should convert in the formula root 225, that is equal to 225 whole 1 by 2. This is in the form of root a. Root a is equal to a power 1 by 2. So 225 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, children. So next again 81 we should do in the LCM. What is the LCM in 81, children? In the fourth column. So I have identity. I think that 3 power 4. So we not think that we have do it in the LCM method, children. So 3 27 again 3 9 again 3 1. That is equal to 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4, children. Again 8 into, again 343. How many times are powers in the equal? So there I don't think. So we have to do it in the sum. 343. Now we have to do it in the LCM. Which table we have to do it in the 7th table, children. 7th table. 34. How much times is cancelled, children? So 4 times. 4 7 28. Again 4 times 28. 28 means required value 6. So 6 3 63. 63. How many times are cancelled in 7th table, children? 9 times. Very good. 9 times. So 7 14. 7 7s are 1. So that is the answer is 7 cube. 7 cube whole power 1 by 3. So we should write in the power notation, children. Are you understood? Again 15 into 32. 32. I think this problem. What is the power in 2 power 5? So we should do in the LCM 32. 2 table is the LCM coming in the 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. Again, children, 225 also I think that 15 square. We have to do it. We don't do it that. We have to do it in the LCM. 15 square whole power 1 by 2. Children, 4 cancelled. Remaining the value 3 power 1 means 3. 8 into 3 cancelled. Remaining value 7. Plus again 5 cancelled. 15 into 2. Again 2 cancelled. 15. Okay, children. 3 minus 8 7s are 56 plus 15 2s are 30 plus 15. Okay, children. First the one, it was first 2 terms One value is the plus, another value is the minus. How can you do it in the children? We have to do it in the subtraction. What is the 56 minus 53? 53. But require the sign. Require to put the sign. The biggest value, how much value? 56 is the biggest value. In front of the sign, we can get the minus. Plus, again, next two digits are both are plus. We should do in the addition. What is the addition? What is the value of 30 plus 15? 45. Again, children, we have to do it in the one value is the minus and the value is the plus. So we have to do it in the children. So we can get the we have to do it in the subtraction. Subtraction means 53 minus 45 8. But we will get the sign. So biggest value minus. So we can get the sign minus. Children, next continue the class in the exercise number 1.4. Next sum is very important. So, in the given question, root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2, that is equal to a plus b root 6. Then, find a and b values. Children, this is the RF of the denominator. RF means rationalizing factor. So, given question, root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. So, children, okay, that is equal to a plus b root 6. So, children, RF of the denominator, children, RF means, can you guess? Yes, RF of the rationalizing factor, children. Okay, next root 3 plus root 2 by, so root 3 minus root 2. Again we should convert in the denominator value in the given value root 3 minus root 2. So we should convert in the root 3 plus root 2. Again root 3 plus root 2. Why? Because we should do in the cancel the required value in the given by above the question. But this is the model for the RF of the denominator. The denominator value is the minus. Minus we put the get the value for plus. We must change it. For example, the given value is the plus, we should change the minus. Okay, children? So, this is the given question. We should given the value root 3 minus root 2 into, we should change the root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay, children? Next, that is equal in the RHS part a plus b root 6. So, we should multiplication the numerators and denominators. Okay, what is the numerators? Root 3. Children, so we should write in the direct method. Why? Because what is the form of a into a, children? What is the a into a square. Okay, children? What is the form of a into a square. But again, what is the form of a plus b into a minus b? What is the form of a plus b into a minus b, children? A square minus b square. This is in the form of root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. So a into a square. But we have to directly we have to write in the, but not write in the direct. So first we should write in the numerators and the denominators. Next, otherwise next we will next use in the formula. Okay, children? A plus b root 6. Okay. Next, a into a. What is the formula now, children? A square. A square means root 3 plus root 2 whole square. So this is in the form of a into a plus a into a, sorry, a into a is equal to a square by again a minus b into a plus b. So we should convert in the formula, children, a square minus b square, which is the a plus value root 3. Again, which is the b plus value root 2 whole square. So cancel, children. So that is equal to a plus b root 6. Children, next continue the next. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Children, what is the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab? Okay, children, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab, children. Okay, so a square. So which is the a plus value is the root 3, b plus value is the root 2, a square. A square means root 3 whole square plus b square means root 2 whole square plus 2, a value root 3, b value root 2 by. So, what is the 3 minus 2? Answer 1. So, a plus b root 6. Again square root cancel 3. Again square root cancel 2. So 2 root 6 by 1 is equal to a plus b root 6. Children, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a plus b root 6. So children, comparing the a value and b value. Comparing the a and b place values. So which is the a place value 5, which is the b place value 2. So the given question, if root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 6, then find a and b values is a value should find the value 5, b value should find the value 2. Okay children, thank you. This is a model for given question. Next.